Top 5 Best Popsicle Molds. Let's get started with the list. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Zaku Round Pop Molds. The Zaku brand is one that is infamous for making unique popsicle molds. From characters to shapes of all sorts, they have one just for you. This one, though, is the round pop mold. This mold is manufactured with food-safe silicone. The silicone material helps you get a nice round shape, as it is a rubberized material. Once your popsicles are frozen, you need only to pull it off, and out comes your round popsicle. Other material types cannot achieve this. Sold in a mini tray that holds 4 molds, this unit is easy to use. The base is made out of polypropylene and doubles as a stand. Therefore, you do not need to turn it upside down to get your frozen treat out. Several unique mold patterns to choose from. BPA and phthalate free. The silicone material used in making the molds help you get a better defined shape. Does not need to be turned upside down to get your frozen popsicles out. At number 2, Newbie Garden Frozen Pop Tray. Even babies are a part of the family, right? While the Newbie Garden Fresh is the best popsicle mold for toddlers and younger children, it is also great for adults and older kids alike. For your baby pops, you could use basic popsicle ingredients or even breast milk, then set it to rest in your freezer after fixing the handles. The handles are designed such that very young children can hold them. It is a perfect way to introduce self-feeding to your kids. It is also a nice soother to stop your kids crying over their sore gums. BPA free, this unit is safe to use. Plus, it is ergonomically shaped for the comfort of your baby, so no worries there. Its clever design also ensures that all drips are caught within the handle. Ergonomically designed for baby and toddler use. At number 3, Lekue Unit Ice Lollipop Mold. Stackable. You will make great popsicles in the Lekue unit without having to sacrifice much space. Sold in a 4 pieces per pack, the stack could be made to go even higher as there are more piece per pack variants to choose from. Each popsicle mold is included with a popsicle handle. The mold is manufactured with silicone to make it easy to pull your popsicles after freezing. Each mold has a cover. These covers inhibit food smells from your freezer from affecting your popsicle. All the components parts are BPA free, so are safe to use. At number 4, Frozip Ice Popsicle Mold Bags. Great for long-term storage as they are sold in a pack of 125 bags. You could also use this for a kid's party. That way, you are double sure there will be enough to go round. It can lie on its side and makes the most of whatever storage space that you may have in your freezer. These plastic bags are disposable, so you need to worry less about washing. Easy to use. Simply fill your content with the included silicone funnel and place it in the freezer after pressing the mouth shut. Manufactured with non-toxic components, BPA and phthalates free, and USDA certified, you can be sure of food safety with this product. To give you even more confidence, you get a 100% full refund guarantee with the Frozip popsicle bags. At number 5, Tovalo Dino Ice Pop Molds. Make superheroes out of your kids by giving them monsters to feed on. Not literally though, but you get the idea. The Tovalo Dino features various mold sets that include dinosaurs, monsters, penguins, robots, swords, thumbs, tiki, yeti, and zombies. It's time for them to face their fears, but no need to worry, they will thank you for it. Besides, they'll have much more fun than just having to suck on a plain old popsicle. This unit is easy to use. They can be stacked in your freezer so require less space in there, and removing these unique shapes is no problem, as the silicone base is flexible to make that easy. Once done, being dishwasher safe, cleaning is quite easy. So if you want to buy these products, check the link in the description box.